The stock market looks simple, but here are 10 shocking secrets that most brokers will never tell you. Number 7 will blow your mind. Secret 1: most beginners lose money not because the market is bad, but because brokers benefit when you trade more, not when you win. Every buy, every sell. They earn money, even if you don't. Secret 2: your broker knows which stocks beginners love to chase. And those stocks are often the riskiest. High volatility equals high brokerage earnings. Secret 3: free brokerage isn't really free. Some apps recover money through spreads, hidden charges, and order routing. Nothing is truly zero cost in the share market. Secret 4: most analyst buy recommendations are already priced in. By the time news reaches you, big players already made their profits. Retail investors are usually the last to know. Secret 5: your stop loss is visible. Smart money can intentionally trigger it. This is called stop loss hunting. You think you made a mistake, but someone else made money from your exit. Secret 6: the market doesn't react to numbers, it reacts to expectations. Good results can crash a stock if expectations were higher. That's why the market feels unpredictable. Secret 7: operators often use news to create fear or hype. This is how they trap beginners. Smart money buys quietly and sells loudly. Secret 8: intraday trading is the hardest way to make money. 95% of intraday traders lose within 6 months. But brokers still promote it, because they earn the most from intraday trades. Secret 9: long-term investing beats trading for most people. Patience is a bigger weapon than prediction. Time in the market beats timing the market. Secret 10: the biggest secret: brokers don't create wealth, you do. They only provide a platform. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Fact Nova TV for the truth behind the world's biggest mysteries.